Newton's third law of motion is our today's topic. Continue, okay, continue. Not space is less than Newton's third law of motion. Yesterday we discussed about Newton's second law completely in its application, impulse momentum. Everything is clear, na? Before that day we discussed about Newton's first law of motion and Galileo's experiment, which was the most important to understand how the phenomena is working, how the body is moving with uniform velocity when an unbalanced force is acting on body, when there is no unbalanced force on the body, sorry. And in Newton's second law we studied about when unbalanced force is acting on the body, how the body is moving or working. Now the third law is something related to, there came a clause that when the cause was contactless, when the cause was contactless, okay, and when there was something called as a reaction to any effect, the cause is done, means the cause has done its work, but there was no effect immediately. After some time effect came, or then when there was contactless forces acting. What was the case? How the phenomena it behaved? I'm telling advanced things. Those advanced things will be useful later. But for understanding it, I'm giving examples so that you will understand what is what. So then there was a need of a law by Newton. So Newton in 16th century only he gave the third law also. Okay, which was completely Kindle. So which was completely a good bias to know about how did this work. So our topic today is third law. Newton's third law of motion and its examples. Right, done. So okay, Newton's third law. So the third law is defined as, everybody knows from who has watched that movie. What is the name of the movie? Three Idiots. To every action, there is an equal and opposite. That was a very important clause given. And action and reaction forces are acting on different bodies. This is small addition. So action and where action and reaction forces are acting on different bodies. So let's see in depth about it. So the best one we can give the example of Newton's third law is a body kept on a table. It's not falling even though gravity is acting on it. Why? So the researchers found out that there was weight W which is acting downwards, that is called mass into gravity. Already I told in second law in inertia area, right? So force, the weight is a force. Always remember, weight is force. It's not mass. Okay. Now there was an equal and opposite reaction. So there should be an equal and opposite reaction which will help the block to be at its original position, which will help the block to be at its original position. Reaction force. Now this weight of the body is acting from the center of the body. Actually, the reaction force is starting from the plane of the body. Always remember, whenever a body is touching another body, the another body creates or the another plane. Let us take the plane of action of force or contact, plane of contact generates a reaction force on the first body. Clear? So our this is our A body, this is our B. B is ground. Now B is imparting a force that is called F of B, and A is imparting a force on B which is called F of A. Now it is told that this force imparted by this is equal to, so equal and opposite in direction. So opposite in direction means first their magnitudes are same. Coming to the direction, then FA equal to minus of FB. If you take FA as positive. Always I told gravity positive. I told G is towards the direction positive. Numericals areas I told. Right, in first chapter numericals I told. Now when you take it on one side, FA plus FB equal to 0. Therefore F sum of Fi equal to 0, which proves that this body is at equilibrium. Is at equilibrium. From this it is proved that Newton's third law is correct. Verification. This is the proof that Newton's third law is correct. Without having this proof, numerical proof, how can we say that Newton's third law is correct or it is wrong or correct or whichever you want to validate? You need to have a pakka proof. This reaction force is also called as normal reaction, because this reaction is always perpendicular to the surface. Yaad rakhna. So this both the action reaction forces, if the action is weight, the reaction is normal reaction, then the action is acting on the body A and the reaction is coming from body B. So there are two different bodies associated. Okay. Now you are standing on earth. Now example I will give. Now you are standing on earth. Now you are standing on earth. Then you are imparting a force towards the earth. That is called force. If this is A, this is B, then force of A on B. Therefore, the earth is giving a reaction. Always I am representing reactions by blue for your easy sake. Here also FAB plus FBA equal to 0. That is equilibrium law. Therefore, FAB equal to minus of FBA. Proved here also. Okay. So he did an experimental proof also. Experimental proof for demonstration of Newton's third law. So he did an experiment. How did they do the experiment? He did the experiment by taking a simple, very simple experiment. Very simple experiment to show. Nothing. There was a wall. This is a wall. Now he took a spring balance. Already I showed how the spring balance is there in second law. Okay. This came to a hook like this, and this hook came like this. Another hook. He attached another spring balance to it. Okay. So now you can see here. Now he was pulling from this side. So the force is, you are pulling. A pull is being applied here. That means a force, external force is applied. That means you are attaching the two spring balance. This is spring balance A, this is spring balance B. Both the spring balance you are pulling from one end. You can do this experiment. Then what happens, you know, if you are applying 5 Newton of force, then the reading of this will also show 5 Newton, and this also will show the direction, not E direction. Okay, 5. Both will show 5 Newton. That means there is, this is if we are taking this as action force, then this is showing a reaction force. Let us assume that this wall is kept here. Clear? So we want to measure the wall strength, wall force application strength. We want to check it. So how we will do? We will attach a spring balance 1 A, spring balance B. Spring balance B is the load puller. From here only we are applying the, here from here only we are pulling the, with the help of your hands, you are pulling the object. कटिंग प्लेयर से पकड़ाओ, मान लो जो भी हो. ओके. Pulling it. You are pulling it with the help of cutting plier. Now what happens? This 5 Newton is distributed here, this 5 Newton is distributed here. Therefore, it is clear that force of A equal to force of B equal to 5 Newton. This is magnitude wise I am telling. Mod means magnitude in respect of direction. This proves that the Newton's third law is correct again here also, experimentally. Right? So finally we should write some conclusions, right? There are 3 conclusions. I'll write here. Conclusion. The first conclusion that came was, there is always a reaction force equal in magnitude and opposite in direction to the applied force. First inference. Second inference. When two bodies touch each other, the reaction force by body B is normal to point of contact. This is very important. This comes in higher class, especially useful in higher class. When the bodies touch each other, like for example, equilibrium of balls come. Two balls are there. This is A ball, this is B ball. Then from this point of contact, normally here and here equally force is applied. This is called a reaction of A on B. This is called reaction of B on A. You will learn this more in contact forces. Next, After this, there is third inference also. This phenomena of action reaction occurs also in non-contact surfaces. This was the additional important here. Why? Because a rocket is lifting off. It is having its propulsion. The propulsion is touching the ground. Rocket is not touching the ground. You are having a jetpack. Slowly I will leave it like this. I am going in air. How? Due to the boosters present there. It's a magic show also shown there. You know. After the class, I will show you a video. There was a magician named Vignesh in Coimbatore. He fly on air. Normal shoes like this, flied in air. Really? Not joke. Really? ఎలాగంటే మనకి తెలియదు. That is magic. But she has to use this phenomena only. Okay. Write down all this. Then we will go with applications. Conclusion is also over. और कहाँ बैठे हो? यही तो है conclusion. That is next topic. That comes under other topic. We have to go for examples. Then we will go with conservation, law of conservation.